Assalamualaikum students. Today we will discuss standard deviation. What is standard deviation? Formula for ungroup and types of formulas. In our previous lecture, we have discussed mean deviation and for group and ungroup. And today we will also discuss coefficient of mean deviation. In our last lecture, we have discussed mean deviation, and today we will discuss coefficient of mean deviation. Here's a formula of coefficient of mean deviation. Mean deviation divided by average, and average is arithmetic mean or median. So we will calculate coefficient of mean deviation. In our last lecture, we have calculated mean deviation, and the answer for mean is 6.08. 6.08 divided by 49.6, and the 49.6 is mean. So mean deviation divided with mean, and the answer is 0.12. And for median, the mean deviation is 5.8 and divided with 52, which is median. 5.8 divided by 52, and the answer is 0.115. This is the answer. And standard deviation is measurement of or measure the variation in data, and standard deviation is a positive square root of square deviation taken from arithmetic mean. And it is the most important statistical tool used in analysis of medical data. Here is the formula of standard deviation for group and ungroups. There are different formulas. For group, there are further three formulas: shortcut method or direct method. And in standard deviation is a formula: under root summation modulus x minus mean square root divided by n. So let's calculate standard deviation. This is an example. First step is calculate mean, and the formula of mean is summation x divided by n, and summation x is 42, total number n is 7, and the answer is 6. So mean is 6. The next step is x minus mean. So next step is x minus mean. So 2 minus 6, 6 and 3 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 8 minus 6, and the answer. Then we take the modulus. Negative value is converted into positive, and the next step is square root 4. When we take the square root, 16, 3, 9, and the sum of this is 56. The next step is simply 56 divided by 7. The 56 divided by 7, and the answer is 2.82. The answer is 2.82. Shortcut method or indirect method. summation x square divided by n minus summation x divided by n and whole square. And two method other is summation d square divided by n minus summation d divided by n and whole square. So let's calculate same question with this method. Here is the formula. So first step is summation x square. So simply we take the square root, positive square root, squares 2, 4, 3, 9, 6, 36, and the sum of this is 3.08. The sum of this is 3.08 and n is 7. The next step is summation x. So summation x is 42. So simply summation x square 308 divided by 7, 42 divided by 7, and so firstly we solve this part we solve 42 divided by 7 and 36, and the answer is 36. So the answer of this part is 36 and 308 divided by 7, and the answer is 44, and the answer of this part is 44. So simply 44 minus 36 and 44 minus 36, and the answer is 2.82. So same answer 2.82, 2.82 and 2.82, and d is equal to x minus a, and a is mostly considered mid value, but in this example they given as x minus 7. So a is 7. A is 7. So first step is x minus 7, 2 minus 7, 3 minus 7, 6 minus 7, and the answer is this. Then next step is d square, and the sum of d square is 63, and sum of d is minus 7. So the first step is we calculate this. Minus 7 divided by 7, total number 7, and the whole square. Minus 7 divided by 7, and the answer is 1. So the answer of this part is 1, and the next step is calculate this part. ED square is equal to 63 and n is 7. 63 divided by 7, and the answer is 9. The answer is 9, and answer of this part is 9. So next step is 9 minus 1, square root under root 9 minus 1, and the answer is 2.82. 2.82, 2.82. Let's calculate standard deviation, and we calculate the standard deviation of the question number 9. Here is the data. So simply first we write the formula. According to the formula, we take the x square, and the summation of x square is 1089, and the summation of simply x is 139. So first we 139 divided by 20 and the square root. 139 divided by 20, and the answer is 48, 48.30, 48.30. The next step is summation x. Summation x is 1089 divided by 20. 1089 divided by 20, and the answer is 54.45. Simply under root 54.45 minus 48.30. 54.45 minus 48.30, and the answer is 2.47. 2.47. The answer is 2.47. We calculate from this formula. Then first step is calculate mean, and the mean is 6.95. The mean is 6.95. The next step is x minus mean, and this is the answer. And the next step is we take the modulus. All negative value is converted into positive, and the square root. This is the answer, and the sum of this is 122.9. So simply 129.9, 122.9 divided by 20, and under root 120.9, and the answer is 2.47, and the answer is 2.47. The same answer from both formulas.